Hello, everyone. Thanks for stopping by today. We're diving into something absolutely delicious, homemade banana nut muffins. These muffins are not only incredibly easy to make, but they're also a perfect treat for breakfast, a midday snack, or even dessert. Whether you're a pro in the kitchen or just starting, this recipe is a foolproof way to impress yourself and others with some baking skills. Oh, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more yummy recipes and fun kitchen tips. Here's what you'll need for these mouth-watering muffins. 3 ripe bananas. These are the heroes of the recipe, giving that natural sweetness and banana flavor. 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, or you can cut it down for a less sweet version, 1 beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Feel free to substitute with pecans or almonds if you prefer. You'll also need a mixing bowl and a muffin tin or liners. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, preparation. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees. This way, it'll be nice and hot by the time we're ready to bake. Now, in a mixing bowl, mash those ripe bananas with a fork until smooth. They should be overripe with brown spots, which is perfect for rich, flavorful muffins. Add the melted butter to the mashed bananas and stir until well combined. In another bowl, mix your baking soda and salt with the sugar, then add it to the banana mixture. This is where the magic begins. Now it's time to add that beaten egg and vanilla extract into the mix. Stir everything until it's just blended. Avoid overmixing. We want fluffy muffins, not dense ones. Up next, combining ingredients. Gently fold the flour into the wet ingredients using a spatula or a wooden spoon. The key here is to mix just until the flour disappears. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, and we definitely don't want that. Once your batter is nice and smooth, it's time to fold in those chopped walnuts. These add a wonderful crunch and nutty flavor. Remember, you can also throw in a handful of chocolate chips if you want to jazz things up a bit. Now let's get these muffins ready for the oven. Take your muffin tin and line it with paper liners, or simply grease the cups if you prefer a more rustic look. Carefully spoon the batter into each muffin cup, filling each one about 2/3 to 3/4 full. This ensures they rise nicely and don't overflow during baking. For a little extra oomph, you can sprinkle additional nuts on top before baking. On to baking. Pop your muffin tin into the preheated oven and let the muffins bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. To test if they're done, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean or with just a few crumbs, they're ready. Try to resist opening the oven door until they're nearly done to maintain the perfect temperature and airiness. Once out of the oven, let your muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This cooling process is crucial as it helps the muffins set and enhances their flavor and texture. When it comes to serving these beauties, warm them up for a few seconds in the microwave and add a pat of butter for that melt-in-your-mouth experience. They pair wonderfully with a hot cup of coffee or tea, making them a delightful morning companion. You might be wondering about storing these delightful muffins. If, by a small miracle, you have any left over, you can store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. For more extended storage options, freeze them. Wrap each muffin in plastic wrap, place them in a freezer-safe bag, and they will keep for up to 2 months. Just thaw and warm them up when you're ready to enjoy. And there you have it, folks, homemade banana nut muffins that are simply irresistible. Thank you so much for baking along with me today. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it goes, or if you put your personal twist on it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking.